Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Planarista 101. Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to be decorating my journal. And if this is your first time, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me. I know everybody's time is so precious, so thank you so much for hanging out. Today we're going to be decorating February 6th through the 12th. As you can see, I've been journaling and this week, and here we go. I'm gonna be using the Lux Living sticker book from Live Love Posh. I thought her stickers in here are so cozy, and I've been sick this weekend and I feel like a cozy spread is due. So I know it's the weekend of Valentine's Day and I have like a girly week this week, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do like a relaxation type of thing up here. So first and foremost, let me place this Humango tray and my planner, and of course I absolutely love the navy, so here we go. The navy and the pink are such a good combo. So I pulled out some washies in different blue hues, and I really like this blue stripe washi. It's a little bit different, so I wanted to incorporate that into the spread this week. So in case you were wondering, this planner is called Fleur. It is a classic size happy planner, and it is in a vertical layout. So that's what we're going to be working with today. And if you are watching me for a while now, you know that journal is my absolute favorite planner. This is where all of my inner thoughts and stuff like that go. Yeah, this is like impossible to open, you guys. Anyway, but yes, journal is my thing for sure. I'm gonna add a stripe down here, I think. Let's see how that looks. I absolutely love this blue. I think it brings so much color into the spread, even with just such a little thing. And I did order the new washi rip card from Live Love Posh. I misplaced my old one. I know it's here somewhere, but I've been going crazy with reorganizing my office, so that's probably why it's insane. So yeah. Anyway, let me keep on going. So I'm gonna put this little girl on this love seat right up here. She looks so comfy, so she can just chill in a cozy way. And then I'm gonna put a stripe on the top because I don't want to be too matchy but at the same time balance. You know the whole jig. Anyway, I feel like I should say welcome to another episode of Cricket. Cricket. Welcome to another episode of Crooked Sticker Placing. I can't even say it right? I mean, I'm so crooked, I can't even say crooked. Anyway, I'm gonna place these flowers. I don't know where. Where should we put them? Maybe like under Monday? Let's see. That look good? Is this okay? Does that work? Yeah, that seems to be working. And I love these roses, you guys. Like, they're so stunning. And let's put this fancy bathtub right here. Love this. This navy blue is actually the color of most of my house as an accent color. So most of our house is gray and navy blue, and that's exactly the colors up here. That navy blue, I mean. But yes, it's lovely and I love it. In general, if you guys have been watching me, you already know I'm obsessed with blue. So kind of normal, right? I mean, you guys are used to it. Anyway, I will keep on going and really quickly add another thing of flowers into this corner. Not that I'm trying to be like identical or anything, but I think it will bring a lot to the spread by putting it here. Yeah, I like it. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you also know that I usually don't use multiple sticker books or a lot of sticker books. I usually pick my theme and create something pretty quickly and functionally. I am not the most creative decorator, but I love my planner. I use it daily and I think it serves the purpose that it's meant to be. So I think that works for me. I know a lot of you will watch videos that are way more creative that use like 5 books, 10 books, whatever, but I just really enjoy kind of sticking with the theme, doing a couple things, maybe adding some washi, maybe using another book here and there, but for the most part, I really like the classics. Okay, so I ripped a quote. It's an ongoing problem with me. I don't know why. I don't know if it's my long nails or if these stickers are too sticky and my hands are dry because it's middle of the stinking winter here, but I don't know. But listen to this quote, like how beautiful. When you're building a room, you're building a character. A character is strength and wisdom. Like how cool, right? Well, strength and the wisdom of the home. I should finish it, but yes. Lovely, lovely quote. And then let's add another rose up here. That's not gonna leave me much of journaling on Thursday, but I can always journal more on Friday about Thursday. No big deal. Create a space that makes you happy. Yes, yes, yes. Couldn't agree with that more. So now that left side is a little bit empty, I'm gonna fill it up just a smidge. So let's see if I can get that done. So I'm gonna cut this apart. I'm gonna stick it in the Wednesday black right here just to add a little bit more of that color. And I think that already looks a little bit fuller and a little bit better. It's getting there. It's getting there, you guys. Okay. Let's add this eye mask to make it super cozy, because why not? And I can't wait to pick my pens to write in this week with those colors. Probably some beautiful navy accents, and there's a lot of already quite a bit of pink, so I will keep that. Let me see if I should maybe add this little cat in the middle. What do you guys think? I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe it'll work. Maybe it'll be too cluttery. No, it actually works and it brings the colors into the middle. Look at that kitty. Oh, such a cute little munchkin. Okay, it's not finished. I don't feel like it's balanced, and that's whenever I feel like that, I simply need to keep going. So how about we add a few more quotes and see how that looks. Okay, so I pulled out a few quotes from the same book, and it's all about space and design and so on, so I think it will work out great. And then up here we're going to put simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, and that's a quote by Leonardo da Vinci. And then this one says, architecture is just art that we live in. Isn't it though? And then this one says, live, love, home. Okay, I really do like this. I really, really do. I think it's good. Okay, I think there's only one thing that I kind of want to do, and is add tiny bit more flowers to this. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna leave the spread as is. I love how it came out. I hope you guys do too. I know it's a little bit different, and this time I'm not speeding up, so this is real time, so you guys get to flip through the books with me and unroll the washi. So annoying, I know, but hey, I was thinking of putting washi across next to the girl in the sidebar section, so I'm gonna try that out and see how it looks when it's vertical, and if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. I'm gonna abandon the ship. Maybe, I don't know. Let's see. Maybe it'll work, and maybe it'll look stupid. I don't know. No. Maybe. Okay, let's cut the chair out. So I'm not covering it up. So I have my little X-Acto knife. It's a retractable one. It's tiny. I love it. Like, look, I perforated it. Nope, I don't like it. It is coming off, you guys. It is coming off. So let's rip this off, put some flowers down, call it a day. I think that'll be it. Let me know if you guys enjoyed hanging out kind of more in a real time, or if you like the faster versions. I'm okay with either one. Obviously, this is a voiceover, but normally I speed up the videos for you guys so you're not sitting there forever while I plan. But lately my spreads have been pretty quick, so I've done this one in real time to actually show you how long it takes me to plan. So the spread start to finish is what, 12 minutes roughly, so not long at all. And this is the result. I really, really love this spread, and I can't wait to write in it. Happy, and looking forward to next week. Whenever I have a good spread, that's how I feel. Anyway, I'm gonna stick these like leaves up here. I might cut the ends if I don't like them soon, and just leave the branches. We'll see, but for right now I'm leaving it. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm gonna pop this back into my planner. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you did, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching, and have a great week ahead. Bye!